Mm, this is Usama Shehzad, and we are Group 4. And these are our members Farhan Ali, Nabiwa Mubarro, and Dilshan Kazunit. So, the topic we are presenting is intellectual property. So, this is our case presentation, and hope I am able to explain what we have gathered. So, what is intellectual property? Intellectual property refers to creations of the mind, inventions, literary and artistic works. So basically, whatever you invent from your mind, whether it will be an invention in music field or any field regarding symbols, you can make names and images and use it as commercial. So that is basically intellectual property. So anything you invent from your mind and you have the rights on it and it's your own creation, so that is so intellectual property is divided into two categories. So first comes the types of intellectual properties, which are patents, trademarks, industrial design, and geographical indications. The second is copyright. So what are copyrights? Copyrights cover literary works such as novels, poems and plays, film, music, artist works, drawings, etc. So basically a copyright is whenever you create something and you have the right on it, so you should have the right to sell it to anyone. So if anyone without your permission uses your creation, whether it's music, it's a movie, it's a song or a video, anything, so you have the right to copyright strike on them. So they should be able to take the video down, or the legal action should be taken against those people. So that is called a copyright strike, and you have the rights to go against it. So then we'll talk about the intellectual property law. Intellectual property law deals with the rules for securing and enforcing legal rights to invention, designs, and artistic works. So this is a law that helps the creator to have the power so that their creation cannot be stolen, basically. So they should not have the fear of misappropriation by others who steal their creations. So now we'll talk about the intellectual property types. There are 6 types. I'll try to explain them type by type. So the types are trademarks, patent, copyright, industrial design, trade secret, and layout design. Okay, first we'll talk about copyright. As I told you in the second slide, that copyright is a legal term used to describe the rights that creators have over their literary and artistic works. Whatever they create, they have a right on it to whether sell it or not, to gain from it or not, or just to give it out in the market. Anyone can use it. So it all depends on the creator. So these are some examples of the creation of the creators, like computer program, databases, film, musical compositions, artistic works, architecture, maps, and technical drawings. All comes in your creation. Okay, so how long does the copyright last? It depends. It can last a long times for an additional 70 years. Okay, what are the penalties if if there is a copyright strike, what are the penalties that the person who invaded it will have to go through? So they'll have to give around 200 to 150,000 dollars each work. Then they have to pay the fees of the courts, or maybe they'll have to go to jail for that. Okay, the next is patent. A patent is an exclusive right granted for an invention, a product or process that provides a new way of doing something, or that offers a new technical solution to a problem. So a patent is kind of similar to the copyrights. So a patent is an exclusive right that is given to the creator, whether he wants to give his product out in the market or he just wants to keep it. So he has the right. Okay, so what kind of protection does the patent offer? Patent protection means an invention cannot be commercially made, used, distributed, or sold without the patent owner's consent. So again, without the owner's consent, you cannot sell, use their creation. If you use that, then you'll have to go through the laws, as we discussed before. You can get penalty on that, you can go to jail, or any legal action can be taken on you. Patent can be last for generally 20 years. Okay, what right do patent owners have? Like if I created something, what right do I have over it? Patent owners may give permission to license other parties to use the invention on mutually agreed terms. So if you agree to sell your creation to a third party or anyone you want to sell, so there is an agreement from both parties that we can use their creation, and he has no obligation on it. Then comes trademark. So a trademark is a distinctive sign that is used by the creator to make his product different from others. Like it can be a logo, it can be a design, it can be a color, it can be a shape, any product. It depends on the product, or it depends on what you create. Okay, what kind of trademarks can be registered? Trademarks may be one or a combination of words, letters, and numerals, drawings, symbols, or three-dimension signs. As I said, that it depends. Whatever you create, it's your trademark. So this is what differs you from other products. So anyone cannot copy it. Okay, so how long they last? They can last as long as you are using your company. Here's a short example of like McDonald's. This is the original trademark, and on the right there is a copy trademark. So obviously the difference is clear. So where will you go? Of course, the original McDonald's. So that is what trademark helps you. Okay, trade secrets. A trade secret is a piece of information which is not generally known by a lot of people, right? Mostly only the creators know that information, and that is a top secret. That is the formula, or that is the way that your company is going up. So you never give your main thing away. Examples, as I said. Okay, so Coca-Cola, they have their recipe. They do not tell you the formula. Even if you watch in TV commercials or TV shows, they will tell you everything, how the bottles are made, the manufacture process, the delivery process, but they will not tell you one thing, their formula. Algorithm, Google search will never tell you the algorithm, or else anyone can make Google. So for most businesses, there will be customer lists, which we call house lists in other language, internal specifications, and best practice guidelines. Okay, how long a trade secret lasts? It may last forever. However, it depends how long the company lasts. Legal protection for trade secrets. Okay, this is a short case study on Coca-Cola which we studied during